Yo, what's good, sneaker channel? Y'all know who it is, man. It's your boy Big Grizz, man, and we back with another, well, not really unboxing, cause I'm gonna tell y'all the shoe, but I copped another shoe and we about to put it, you know, right here in this empty space. But it's been a while since I've had it. Honestly, I got this off of a restock that Nike had did on sneakers. If y'all know what I'm talking about, it's the CARMINE 6. So I'm about to show y'all my pair, and then we're gonna put it up in the box. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. On the road to 100 subscribers. Once we hit 100 subscribers, we'll be giving away a free pair of Jordans. So mess with me, man, and subscribe to Grizzly Sneaks, Grizzly Gaming, and Grizzly Reactions. I know I said Grizzly Sneaks, but go along with it. Let's get it. Alright, y'all. So, like I said, man, we got some shoes here. So, I had to pull out my phone so I can get the exact date. So, April 2nd, it looks like. April 2nd is when they restocked the CARMINEs. And as y'all know, I actually did a video on those. I tried to get them. Wasn't able to get them. But for some reason, I don't know what happened on this day. I think I was on, it happened while I was on my break too. I was on my lunch break sitting there. I think I was actually texting my boy Green, who's also a sneakerhead like me, and we was texting, talking about shoes. And then next thing you know, I seen an alert from sneakers. Then I seen an alert from, what was it, the Soul Links. And then he texted me like, yo, CARMINE's restock. But I was already on it. I already submitted my size 12. And it went through, man. So I ordered these on the 2nd, and they came on the 7th. So it was actually really fast. It was super fast. Like, I didn't know it was gonna ship that fast. When I first ordered them, it said they was, look, it says arrives 4/14/2021. So it was saying it was gonna come yesterday. So yeah, it came a week earlier. So thank goodness for that. So let me show y'all my pair right here. You know what I'm saying? So we got Air Jordan 6 Retro. You know what I'm saying? US size 12, you know. And let me tell y'all, I'm actually kind of pissed right now, man. I just found out that I've been buying the wrong size Nikes, man. It turns out Grizz is a 11.5. I'm not a 12 in Nikes. I thought I was a 12. No, it turns out I got an inch of space. Like, there's an inch. So that if there's an inch, it's literally an inch. Like, it's an inch. So I'm an 11.5 in Nikes, Air Maxes, Dunks, all that. So for the size 12s that I got, I'm going to just leave, like, cut some of the tissue up, leave some of it in there. So that way it'll take that inch away. So that way because I'm not selling those shoes again. I'm sorry, bro. Like, and those Dunks, I'm not going to get no money for them anyway. Especially the ones that I got right now. I don't have none of the exclusive ones yet. On the way. But, like, if I tried to sell them, I'd honestly be losing money if I tried to sell them. So I'm going to just put the tissue in there. But back to the shoe. Y'all see the box. See the box, man. Which y'all know I don't care about the box. This is either going to get thrown away or I don't know, because I'm not selling these. Because if y'all don't know, these is one of my grills. Yes, I already have two of my grills. I got the Space Jams, because you know Space Jam is my favorite movie. And we got the breads right there. And those are my one of my grills. And we got the Travis Scott 6s. Another one of my grills. So, yeah. These is another one. Look at these babies. Like butter. Shit. Hey, man. Like butter, man. I know I told you I was done with Jordans, but yeah, these was on my list anyway. Y'all know I have a list of shoes that I'm like grabbing, and once I grab all the shoes on that list, I'm done with shoes, because then I'll have every shoe that I literally want. So that's why it's the list. You feel me? But here's the shoe, you know, regular CARMINE, you know, if you know. But these is different, because these is literally the first time I'm seeing these in my hand, like, ever in life. Like, I used to see dudes walking in these in high school. I used to try so hard not to stare at them Johns, because red's my favorite color. If you didn't know, red is my favorite color. So, like, these, I mean, if y'all can't tell, man, mainly all my shoes that I got is red. So, and yeah, everything is red. So, but Yeah, man, this is little icy blue soles, baby. That shit wet like butter. Man, I love these Jones, man. I don't know when I'm gonna wear them. I actually got a trip coming up, but I'm not gonna wear them then. I'm going to Virginia, but I'm not wearing these in Virginia. Hell no. But I got another trip, but we're gonna talk about that and smoke sessions with Grizz. Make sure you subscribe to Grizzly Reaction so you don't miss that. But you know what I'm saying? Size 12. I like this shoe, man, and it was meant to be. You know how I feel like I know this was meant to be, because I didn't hit, but on a restock I hit instantly. Like, my order went through immediately. It's crazy. So shout out to Nike. Even though I didn't hit on the Air Maxes that I wanted this morning, you know, still shout out to y'all. You know, I don't know what's up, bro. You know what I'm saying? Your boy ain't been getting no W's. You know, last W's was them 5s, and I still waiting on them. You know, yes, I did order the Raging Bull 5s because those are one of my girls as well. I've always, like I said, and red is my favorite color, like, and that is a all red shoe. So you already know I'm on that shit. So I'm still waiting on my Raging Bull 5s. I think I'm going to sell them though. I don't know. I'm not too sure. We're going to see how I feel about them. But this is the shoe, and trying to think as far as what I'm copping next. I don't know what I'm grabbing next, y'all. I'm low-key chilling because I'm trying to plan this trip for my birthday in August. So I don't know. Like, I'm still gonna grab, but it's not gonna be like, y'all know how I usually go crazy, man. So it might be like, maybe I don't know. I do want to get some shoes, but I'm not getting none this week. If I do, it's going to be some Forces with the gum bottoms, because I really want a pair of them just to have, you know what I'm saying, because I don't have no Forces, like all white Forces. I feel like everybody should have some all white Forces, and I want to be different, so I'm going to get the gum bottoms, you feel me? So, but I'm not going too crazy. I'm trying to close out my Air Max 90 collection. I still need to grab the purples, the Hyper Royals, and I think there's pink. Yeah, there's the pink ones. I still need those. Still, like I told y'all, I'm strictly dunks, so I'm not really grabbing too much of the pre-releases. And I was going to try to get them Hyper Royals, but they're not available on none of the apps, so I know this shoe's going to be hard to get, so I'm not even going to try, honestly. Like, yes, that's my attitude. I'm not even going to try to get those Hyper Royal ones, because I know it's going to be a straight L, you know what I'm saying? And resale for those is going to be crazy, just like it was for the UNC ones, which I still want, but still ain't grabbed yet because the resale is crazy. So, don't know. Looks like I'll be missing out on the Hyper Royals, but I'm honestly told y'all I'm on this dunk wave right now, so I'll keep y'all posted with that. But y'all stay tuned. I'm still trying to expand with this sneaker stuff. Like, y'all give me ideas. I'm trying to watch like other sneaker channels to get ideas, but I don't want to like bite. I want to do my own thing and develop my own thing, you know what I'm saying? So this is me trying that. So y'all let me know what y'all want to see. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. On the road to 100 subscribers. Don't forget, subscribe. Once we hit 100, giving away some shoes, man. Big Grizz.